All right, let's get started. You're gonna take a 1-inch wide strip of fabric that is the total length of your placket. Next, you're gonna fold the long edges in towards the center about 1/4 inch. Then, fold that puppy in half one more time. Where your placket is cut on your sleeve, we're gonna do a very narrow basting stitch. Here's what I mean by a tight basting stitch. You're gonna sew as close to the edge as you possibly can. And then that little corner, make sure that it's clipped as close to the threads as possible. I sew my plackets all in one step, hence the one-step placket. Take the placket, wrap it around the cut edge, and get stitching. Make sure that tricky corner is tucked safely inside the placket. Ta-da! Now fold your placket in half and stitch down the top corner at an angle. The placket farthest from the seam, aka the front placket, gets turned and stitched towards the wrong side of the fabric. Then it lays smoothly over the back placket. That's it! We're done. Sew what you love, seamsters.